This pet hair remover is your couch's new bestie. With a self-cleaning base and 0 sticky sheets, it grabs every last bit of fur from furniture, carpets, and car seats. Totally reusable and super easy to use, it's the cleanup tool you'll actually enjoy using. Bye-bye, fur storms. Hello, clean living. This kitchen spray head replacement instantly upgrades your faucet without calling a plumber. With 15 adapters and 3 spray settings, it fits most faucets like a glove and brings some serious rinse power. The brushed nickel finish adds that modern vibe your sink's been craving. Just twist, spray, flex. This touchless soap dispenser brings high-tech hygiene to your bathroom or kitchen. With a sleek water-resistant body and rechargeable power, it dispenses soap automatically. No pushing, no germs. Clean hands meet clean design, and suddenly washing up feels kinda fancy. This tea tumbler turns hydration into a full-on mood. With double-wall glass and a stainless steel infuser, it's built for loose leaf lovers and fruit infusion fans alike. It's leak-proof, portable, and totally aesthetic, perfect for sipping serenity on the go. Namaste in style. This electric lint remover breathes new life into tired fabrics. Featuring 6 blades, a digital display, and adjustable speeds, it smooths out pilled sweaters, fuzzy couches, and more. Say hello to that fresh out-of-the-store look, without spending a dime on new clothes. This sponge eraser makes stains disappear with just water, no harsh cleaners needed. From kitchen grime to scuffed sneakers, it tackles it all with gentle power. Durable, non-scratch, and weirdly satisfying to use, it's basically magic in your hand. Clean freaks, unite. This cable organizer keeps your tech tidy and travel ready. With double-layer compartments and waterproof design, it stores chargers, cords, adapters, and more without the mess. Whether you're jet-setting or desk juggling, this bag's got your bag and your cables. This waffle maker is breakfast goals. Cook 4 mini waffles at once with a quick heat-up and non-stick surface that's easy to clean. It's compact, cute, and perfect for family mornings or foodie fun. Just pour, cook, and snack your way to happiness. This key finder saves your sanity one beep at a time. Just press the remote to track down keys, wallets, remotes, even your pet's tag. No app, no hassle, just simple wireless tracking. Losing stuff is cancelled, and peace of mind is back. This cutting machine bundle unlocks your inner maker. With 30 design images and insane cutting power, it works on over 300 materials and moves 2x faster than the rest. Connect to the app, let your creativity flow, and craft like a boss. More like DIY yas. This finger guard is your kitchen's low-key hero. Slip it on while slicing and never worry about cuts again. It's lightweight, stainless steel, and built to protect while you chop like a pro. Cook smart, cut safe, and keep those fingertips flawless. This pH meter gives you the full scoop on your water. With backlit display and 4-in-1 accuracy, it tests pH, EC, TDS, and temperature in seconds. Ideal for hydroponics, pools, or home brews. It's science, but make it super easy. This cordless paint sprayer is a DIY dream come true. Lightweight, portable, and clog-resistant, it delivers smooth, even coats without the hassle. Paint your car, cabinets, or crafts with pro-level finish. No cords, no mess, just spray and slay. This tactical pen set is the ultimate gift for gadget lovers. It's sleek, multifunctional, and packs a flashlight, pen, and more, all in one stylish box. Perfect for birthdays, stocking stuffers, or just flexing your everyday carry game. Useful meets cool, big time. This cable strap set ends cord chaos once and for all. Reusable and colorful, these silicone ties bundle up wires in seconds, chargers, headphones, kitchen cords, you name it. 24 in the pack means you're organized from office to kitchen and beyond. This LED shower head takes your bathroom from basic to bougie. It changes color with the water temperature and filters out nasties for healthier hair and skin. High pressure, easy install, and total spa vibes. It's shower time, but make it a light show. This wired dishwashing rag scrubs like steel wool but treats your dishes like royalty. Non-scratch, super durable, and built for both wet and dry cleaning. These rags handle everything from greasy pans to glass stovetops without a fuss. The woven metal design cuts through grime fast. while staying flexible and reusable wash after wash. This flying ring is not just a toy, it's a whole vibe. With 16 million RGB colors or 12 built-in LED modes, it lights up your night like a mini UFO. Waterproof, soft-edged, and safe for kids and teens, it's perfect for park hangs, beach days, or epic night games. And yep, it even has a lost mode so you'll actually find it when it lands in the bushes. Light, bright, and totally hype-worthy. This is no basic frisbee. This smart mini projector turns any wall into a movie theater. 270 degrees adjustable angle, built-in apps, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's basically your binge buddy on the go. Auto keystone keeps the screen looking crisp from every angle, and it's compact enough to take from couch to campsite. Just connect your phone, TV stick, or laptop and boom, cinema mode activated. Big screen energy, tiny projector flex. This lamp redefines lighting with a smart magnetic suspension system. Featuring a unique floating design, this creative LED night light combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality. The suspended balance spheres serve as both a switch and a stylish design element. Perfect for desks, bedside tables, or dorms, it brings warmth and sophistication to any space. Whether as a conversation starter or a thoughtful gift, this lamp blends art and innovation beautifully. This cordless vacuum cleaner is built for powerful, hassle-free cleaning. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it tackles carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease. Its tangle-resistant brush prevents clogging, while its lightweight design makes maneuvering effortless. The rechargeable battery ensures convenience, and the high-performance suction lifts stubborn dirt. Whether cleaning up everyday messes or deep cleaning your home, this versatile stick vacuum gets the job done. This Ninja Espresso machine from the Luxe Cafe Premier series is a barista's dream. Combining drip coffee, rapid cold brew, and an integrated grinder, it brews bold, flavorful drinks with ease. The assisted tamper ensures consistent espresso, while the hands-free frother creates rich lattes and cappuccinos with dairy or non-dairy milk. Designed for ultimate convenience, it delivers cafe-quality coffee at home, making every morning easier and every cup more enjoyable. This Happy Light Lux Therapy lamp delivers 10,000 lux of bright, UV-free light to boost mood, energy, and focus. Designed to combat winter blues and improve sleep, it offers adjustable brightness, color settings, and a countdown timer. Its sleek, modern design fits any space, while the easy-to-use stand allows for customized positioning. Whether at home or in the office, this therapy lamp is the perfect wellness tool for enhancing productivity and well-being year-round. This Espresso smart wall heater delivers powerful 1500W heating with 120 degrees vertical oscillation for even warmth. Designed for bedrooms and indoor spaces, it features an adjustable thermostat, remote control, and a 24-hour timer for customized comfort. Its easy mount design saves space, while Alexa compatibility allows for hands-free operation. Whether for chilly mornings or winter nights, this efficient electric heater provides smart, reliable warmth. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.